In this tutorial we're gonna go over printing in more detail. So assuming you have successfully created your card, you would like to print it now. We're gonna click on Print Preview and take a closer look at our printing settings. First thing we should do is align our margins. And as you can see, I have previously calculated my values and already inputted them here, so my margins are actually fixed. I can choose either a portrait layout or a landscape layout. In this case I'm going to use a portrait, and I would like to choose how many cards I would like to have across or down. So since I have 5 employees, I would like to have 2 across and 3 down. So as you can see, all the spots are filled. Now we're going to switch to this window here, Print Employees, and it will let us choose which employees we're going to print. Originally we have all of our employees selected, but we can choose a current employee to print or a custom. Custom allows us to select particular employees, as you can see, for printing. Also we can select all of them by clicking on Select All, or we can unselect all. Now this button here allows us to see the whole list of employees. For instance, it's very useful when you have a large database with, let's say, hundreds or even thousands of employees. And we can sort them by user ID or first name, last name, and so on. Now this option here, Search Fields, allows us to search by particular name, letter. Let's say we would like an employee starting with an M, and we've got 2, Mike and Matt. Or we would like to actually select an employee starting with the first name M, but last name with an S. So we have Mike Smith. Okay, going back to Print Preview, we would like to finally print our cards. So let's say we're gonna choose all of them and switch to this option here. So we can choose either print multiple templates per page or multiple employees per page. Let's start with multiple employees per page. Click Apply and OK. And as you can see, we have all 5 employees printed on one page. Now we close this to get the backside. And we have the backside of our cards. Now let's choose a different scenario. Let's say we would like to print multiple templates per page. So we select multiple templates per page and click on Apply, then OK. And this window here will allow us to choose which templates to apply to our cards. In this case, our size matches only 2 templates. It's airport and people, so let's choose both of them and click OK. And we should get 5 pages, and each employee should be printed twice in 2 different templates on each page. And as you can see, employee number 1 in 2 different templates. So was employee number 2, 3, and so on. Close this to see the backside. And we have backside. Now let's go over some basic printing settings. As you can see here, you choose the printer from the drop down menu, and then you can edit the properties. You can choose duplex printing or mirror printing for a particular printer. In this case, duplex is not supported by this printer. Now we can choose size and source, and you can choose a print resolution. By default it's auto, but you can switch it to user definition, which can be low, medium, or high. And you can choose which employees to print, your layout, either portrait, landscape, number of cards across and down, the way you would like to print them, multiple templates per page or multiple employees per page, and our margins. So this summarizes our tutorial. Thank you for watching. And if you have any more questions, please give us a call at 1-888-777-0388 or reach us at support@xssoftware.com. Thank you and have a good day.